Today we discuss the topic comparison between shares and debentures. The first classification on the basis of form of return. Shareholders get the dividend, debenture holders get the interest. Second classification on the payment of return. Dividend can be paid to shareholders only out of profits. Interest can be paid to debenture holders even if there is no profit. Third, allowable deduction. Dividend is an appropriation of profit, so it is not allowed as deduction. Interest is a business expense, and so it is allowed as deduction from profit. Fourth classification on the security for payment. Shareholders have no security for payment. Debenture holders have the security for payment. Next classification on the basis of voting rights. The shareholders have voting rights. The debenture holders do not have any voting right. Next, on the basis of conversion. Shares can never be converted into debenture. Debentures can be converted into shares. Next, repayment in the event of winding up. Shares are repaid after the payment of all the liabilities. Debentures get priority over shares, and so they are repaid before shares. Last one, quantum. Dividend on shares is an distribution of profit. Interest on debentures is a charge against profit. Next topic we will discuss stock versus equities, a comparison. Trading on stock exchanges. Stocks are those equity shares which are traded on stock exchanges. Equities are not traded on stock exchanges. Second classification on the basis of public participation. Stock involve general public participation. Equities does not involve general public participation. Third classification on the basis of price fluctuations. Prices of a stock fluctuate on a daily basis based on demand and supply of the stock. Price of equity does not fluctuate as they are not traded and hence does not attract any demand or supply. Next classification on the basis of value. Number of stock multiplied by price of stock gives the market valuation of the company. Number of equity multiplied by the face of a value of equity gives book value of the company. Next classification on the basis of disclosure in the balance sheet. Value of stock is not disclosed in the balance sheet of a company. Value of equity is disclosed in the balance sheet of the company. At the time of acquisition or merger or acquisition, value of stock is considered to determine the valuation of a company. Value of equity is not considered to determine the valuation of a company. Listing on stock exchanges. For equity share to be termed as stock, equity needs to be listed on at least one of the stock exchange compulsorily. Equity need not be necessarily listed on stock exchanges. Thank you.